A quiet geometry rests inside every temple. It measures the breadth of the world in stone. I name Shivalingas as life in the Lingam. This is not mere sculpture, but a discipline of listening. The Lingam stands as a seed and a signal. It is not passive. It initiates inquiry. The temple's plan is a map of energy and ascesis. The Garbhagriha narrows to a breath's width. There, the Lingam awakens to the devotee's gaze. There, the stone remembers the touch of seasons and prayer. A corridor of light threads through carved pillars and memory. The temple becomes a language the body can read aloud. Vastu speaks in stone in proportion in the angle of light. The Lingam receives rain and sun as living data. In its surface, science and sacred awe exchange a glance. We learn to measure devotion as a geometry of attention. The act of naming is an act of listening back to life. The temple design is a patient dialogue between earth and sky. The Lingam gathers the years as if collecting breath itself. There is a discipline in the way stone holds silence. The stone teaches us to notice the small, persistent movements of time. The Lingam is not only a form, it is a practice of care. The temple ground holds memory, as if it were water. The shaft turns toward the heavens, not to claim but to witness. In this architecture, light is a tool and a teacher. There is a discipline of thresholds, doors, and dust. The Linga bears a name, yet keeps naming us back into inquiry. There were times when builders spoke to the wind through drum and drill. The mandapa becomes a melody of steps and breath. The sage on the site would say, observe the ratio, honor the cycle. The Lingam is a living diagram, not a fossil of belief. The plan reveals itself as a living equation of sun and shadow. The temple shuts out noise to let the inner signal arise. The science here is careful, practical, reverent. To name Shivalingas is to invite life into the air of worship. The stones hold the memory of hands that measured gravity and intention. A myth becomes measurement when the craftsman tests the space with care. The Lingam teaches balance, because balance is a form of fidelity. In the stone, the water wins its hidden channels as prayer. If we listen long enough, the temple speaks in breath and tone. The naming is not conquest, but communion with a living symbol. The temple is a field where energy gathers and becomes form. The life cycle of stone mirrors the life cycle of attention. To name life in Linga is to admit the universe as a companion in your own room. The middle grows heavy as power, and ego press in and demand attention. Some halls exalt the form to erase the soul within. But the architecture gathers light back into the heart where doubt lives. There is danger in turning a symbol into a monument of conquest. The science here asks for humility, for noticing what resists control. The Lingam remains a doorway when we bring a patient mind to it. So the question returns: what if the temple is a school of listening? What if the plan is not ownership, but invitation to witnessing?